So today we are at a project. Currently we are under a home. And there's a leak going on right here. I don't know how that happened, but it is leaking pretty bad. As you can see, there's a puddle. The way we found it is we have the water running right now, and as you can see, we located the leak. So here are some things that we grabbed to fix the plumbing issue. We got a sawzall to just cut the plumbing and fit it back together. So right now I will show you how to get that done. We got the pipe cut out. I'm just gonna have to wait for that water to stop dripping so we can glue it together. But let me show you the problem. That was the problem right there. That's a big old, I don't know how that happened. Do not know how to explain that. But it's broken in two separate places. It's bad. So what I like to do is I like to pre-fit the fittings, and then we can glue it together. This is the rubber coupling, so we can get it really tight to the other piece here, and then we're gonna slide this back over this new piece so that we have a nice tight fit right there. Don't try to glue a piece in here and then try to fit this one in. This is why there's this rubber seal. It can go all the way through to the corner. As you can see, I have it here right there. See how tight that is right there? That rubber seal. You can get this piece really tight to that, and then you can slide this right over. So should work like a charm. So we're gonna glue some pieces together. I like to wear gloves, that way I don't get my hands all in the glue and have a hard time cleaning my hands. I don't know if it's for health reasons, if it's bad for your skin or not, but I just have a hard time cleaning my hands off once I'm done. But so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna glue this coupling to the old fitting on here and squeeze it tight. And then what we're gonna do is, because we already pre-fit everything, we're gonna glue these two pieces together. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Doesn't really matter. Now this is the tricky part, because you gotta have to angle this piece and these two pieces together. So let's get some glue on this. So we want to angle it to fit with this, and you don't have too much time once you put it in. A little bit about the different types of glue and the different types of pipe. So this is ABS glue, and this is an ABS pipe. Usually on the pipes it will say what kind of material was used, and all you have to do is you got to match the same material to the same glue. And you cannot add different types of pipe together with different glues. You have to use a rubber seal, which is one of these right here, and then you can go from ABS to PVC or whatever, CPVC or whatever you want. You could use that. So that's how you glue it together right there. And this is where that coupling comes in, pretty handy, because all I did is it's nice and tight, and I slid this over, and now it fits perfect. And as you can see, the water has stopped leaking. So there you guys have it. That's how you repair a leak in your plumbing. This is pretty simple and straightforward. There's nothing to it. You could do it yourself if you really had to, instead of paying a plumber hundreds of dollars an hour. But this took me about 20 minutes, 30 minutes to get done. So if you need to get that done, you know, it's pretty simple. Took a little longer actually than 20 minutes because you had to count in my run to the stores there and back. But pretty simple and straightforward to get it done. If you have some knowledge of construction, this would be a pretty easy job for you. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Please like the video if this has helped you. Subscribe to my channel to see more content, and everybody have a nice and wonderful day. Bye. Like I said, crawling is the hardest part of getting under the house. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Freedom.